Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. In today's video, I am going to share with you instant burfi recipe or instant milk powder fudge that you can easily prepare at home and yet you will get market style texture, and will prepare this recipe in 20 to 25 minutes. Before we start the recipe, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get the further notification of the new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Now let's start the recipe. Take one bowl. Add 2 cup of milk powder. You can take any kind of milk powder, semi-sweet or sweet. Then add half cup of powdered sugar. Take normal sugar and grind it into the mixer and you will get the powdered sugar. Now I am going to add half cup of milk. Give it a quick mix. In this recipe, total I have used 1 cup of milk. Milk is on room temperature. So you have to gradually add the milk until you will get the smooth and fine consistency. Now I am going to add again 1/4 cup of milk. You can do this process onto the gas stove, but it is difficult to remove the lumps. So that's why we are doing this process in the bowl. So you have to mix until you will get the smooth consistency. It should not be thick. We are looking for this type of smooth consistency. This is ready. Now set this aside. We are moving on to the next step. Now take a tray or plate to set the fudge or burfi. Line it with butter paper. That is optional. If you don't have butter paper, directly grease the plate or the tray in which you are going to set the fudge or burfi. Once you have greased it, set this aside. It is ready. Now take a heavy bottom pan or kadhai. Add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. After melting, it is 4 tablespoons. Let the ghee melt. Once the ghee melt, add the milk powder mixture that we have prepared, and you have seen the consistency of the batter. We are looking for this type of perfect consistency of the batter, and now mix on low flame until the ghee and milk powder mix together. As you are mixing it, you will notice the batter became thin because the sugar dissolved and released the water. So first it will release the water and then you have to keep on mixing and you will get slowly the milk powder thick. Make sure to cook it on low flame, otherwise it will burn quickly. We don't want the burnt taste into the recipe, and also if you are cooking on high flame, the color will change and we don't want to change the color. And have you tried the instant coconut burfi? I have already shared the recipe. I will share the link in the description box, so you will go and check that out, and you will check the coconut laddu also. It's been 15 minutes. I am keep on stirring and you will notice it starts bubbling, and at this point you have to be very quick while stirring. Now at this stage, add 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can add rose water or you can add few drops of kevda water, whatever flavor you want in your fudge or burfi, and you have to keep on stirring. You can add 1 teaspoon of ghee if you feel the mixture is dry, but here it is perfect, and you will notice as it is combining together, it starts leaving the ghee and little shiny. Take one plate and check the consistency. It is ready to set or not. Take small dough into the separate plate and wait until it is slightly cooled down. Stir it continuously. Within a minute, you will notice that dough is forming into the shape of ball and not sticking in the hand. That means that is a perfect stage. At this point, switch off the gas and then quickly remove this mixture into the greased tray. You will notice how smoothly the mixture glide into the tray. That is a perfect indication the mixture is perfect for setting the burfi. Now with the help of spatula, spread it into the even layer, approximately ½ inch or according to your choice. Now let it cool down for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes. The mixture is half set, but it is completely cooled down. Now I am going to use this type of cookie cutter because this is a festival season, so I want to make it little fancy, but you can cut it into square or rectangular shape according to your choice. Now with the help of cookie cutter, cut the shape, and with the help of finger very gently press it and you will get this type of flower shape. And look at the texture, because it is perfectly cooked, so that's why you will get this type of perfect piece. And now set this piece into the plate. Similar way, cut all the pieces using the cookie cutter, and it is not necessary that you have to use this type of cookie cutter. You can take any cookie cutter of your choice, or even you can roll it in between your hand, or you can cut it into square pieces, and you will see each and every piece come out perfectly. Place it into the plate. Once you have cut all the pieces, now again combine this dough using butter paper, but if you haven't put the butter paper, just grease your hand slightly and then combine it as I am doing here, and with the help of rolling pin level it or using spatula, and every time when you are cutting it, it will come out perfectly and you will get each and every perfect piece of barfi. Total 16 pieces of barfi are ready out of that mixture. Now for garnishing, here I have soaked some saffron threads. You can garnish it with some silver paper, but I don't have silver paper, so I am going to use the saffron threads and saffron for the color. But if you don't have saffron, you can use any decoration of your choice. And now I am going to garnish it with some chopped dry fruits like almonds, pistachios and cashews. You can garnish it according to your choice. And these are the other pieces. One I have prepared with the hand, you can see here. So here is the instant barfi ready in 25 minutes, and now I will show you the texture. Smooth and creamy texture and taste almost like market bought one. If you don't tell anybody, no one will tell that you have prepared at home. While preparing this, keep in mind you have to cook this dish on low flame all the time and keep on stirring, and you have to gradually add the milk when you are preparing this mixture. If you are following all these steps, you will get the perfect market style instant barfi. Hope you like this easy recipe of preparing instant barfi. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook page, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.